this is my first time shooting with this new toy of mine. Let's I've shot some photos, and let's see how the video goes on. Hopefully the video will be at par, or rather better than my mobile camera. I have a mobile, but and it shoots pretty good, but you know, a camera is after all a camera. A mobile is a mobile. And here I am, right in front of Godrej water site. That's the Godrej. This is the Godrej waterside building. Every year the trail run, Kolkata trail run, is being held from here. It's been a pretty good place, known place for us. Been coming here from since 2015. Yes, December 2015. It's quite good till date. Not too crowdy. Only the locals come and go in this trail. This is my steed, my trusty tourer, and this side is just like this. Plenty of large water bodies, and this road going towards Chingri Hata. It will be meeting at Chingri Hata. So without much ado, let's move.